Shernice and the Golden Gut Potion. It was a sunny, dusty afternoon when the yellow school bus hissed to a stop in the front of House 416. Out stepped Shernice, a 9-year-old firecracker of a girl with a short curly afro, wearing her favorite red Bonafide t-shirt and black jogging pants. Except today, her spark was a little squishy. She clutched her stomach and winced. Uncle Gambo, my tummy feels like it's doing breakdancing moves, but all the wrong ones, she groaned. Waiting at the corner like a superhero on his day off was her Uncle Gambo, a tall, lean, muscular 30-year-old in a black tank top, blue jeans, and white shoes, rocking his low cut and serious glasses. He knelt down. "What did you eat, Niecy? Hot fries and blue soda again?" Shernice nodded. "Guilty. And some cafeteria lasagna that looked like a brick." Without another word, Gambo scooped her up like a feather and took off. He ran fast, Olympic sprinting uncle mode activated, then leapt over the neighbor's fence, his white shoes puffing with clouds of dirt. "Woo! Who needs a gym membership?" he shouted mid-jump, Shernice giggling through her stomach pain. Back at home, 416, Gambo gently dropped her on the couch, pushed up his glasses, and said in a serious voice, "Time for the Golden Gut Punch. This has bromelain and turmeric magic. Say goodbye to the stomach storm." He headed to the kitchen. The blender roared like a spaceship. Ingredients flew in like a science show. Half-cup pineapple chunks, half a banana, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 cup almond milk. Gambo whispered, "Or coconut water if you fancy the island life." He poured the thick, sunny smoothie into a cartoon cup. "Drink this, young warrior. The ancient gut healers of Wakanda, Africa, approve." Shernice sipped. She paused, eyes wide. "Hey, my tummy's doing the moonwalk in reverse," she laughed. Suddenly, Timmy, Shernice's 4-year-old brother, popped out from behind the couch. His tiny braids bounced as he ran in, wearing his droid's t-shirt and black shorts. "Wait, did you just drink banana robot juice without me?" He jumped on the couch dramatically. "Give me super gut power too!" "Digestion takes teamwork, young grasshoppers," Gambo said, striking a dramatic ninja pose. "Eat junk, you get junk. Eat gold, you get bold." Shernice and Timmy burst into laughter. From that day on, every time someone had a tummy ache in House 416, they knew what time it was. Golden Gut Potion time. I appreciate you guys to the fullest, and I want to say this: keep learning and keep teaching. Y'all have a good day.